It is common knowledge that you own 9 companies. Am I correct?
Yes po.
Hanggang ngayon,
Yes po.
since you started securing contracts from the DPWH, since kailan kayo nag-umpisa? 2012?
Yes po,
O,
2012.
pag-usapan muna natin yung 2022 hanggang 2025. Ilan na po yung naging projects nyo sa DPWH?
Marami na po.
Sa mga bidding na sinasalihan mo ng mga kumpanya mo, itong siyam na kumpanya, ilang beses kayo nanalo?
Your Honor, I am prepared for the flood control projects that you are mentioning. I have the statistics of how many I bidded and how many I lost and how many I won.
Okay, you mentioned it to us right now.
In 2022, I bidded for 491 projects. This is just for the flood control, Your Honor. I joined the bidding po.
Oh.
This is in 2022. I only got 71 projects from the 491 na sinalinan ko po.
71 only. How many companies?
Just for Alpha and Omega po.
What about the other companies? What about the other 8 remaining companies that you own?
I don't have the statistics
Oh.
for that because I was only called as Alpha
Wait,
and Omega.
You admitted earlier when I asked you if you own these 9 companies and you answered in the affirmative. What about the representative of the other construction companies? Itong si Remando. Oh, how many? You're representing St. Timothy.
Good morning po, Mr. Chairman. For St. Timothy Construction po, we have 145 projects.
Flood control projects
Yes, Mr. Chair.
since
Since 2022.
up to the present as we speak.
145, Mr. Chair.
Napanalunan ang na-award sa inyo 145 flood control projects. All in all, dun sa 8 companies, ilan? Dun sa 9 companies, hindi nyo alam? St. Gerard Construction. Nandun yung pangalan ng asawa mo, Pacifico Discaya. Okay? Dun sa St. Timothy, sino may-ari ng St. Timothy? Ikaw si Remando. Kamag-anak mo si Discaya, correct? Sabi mo, pamangkin mo. Tama? And who is this Maritoni Miligrito, the owner of Elite General Contractor? Who is this? Answer.
Pinsan ko po, Mr. Chair.
From the left pocket to the right pocket. St. Matthew. Nandito yung asawa mo, Pacifico Discaya. Great Pacific. Oh, ikaw, nandyan ang pangalan mo, oh. Si Sarah Rowena Discaya. Kaya hindi mo mapapagkaila eh. YPR General Contractor. Nandito rin ang pangalan mo. Miss Sarah, alam mo, huwag ka magsisinungaling ha. Amethyst Horizon. Sino si John Brian Eugenio? Who is he? Sagutin mo, Miss Remando.
I didn't know, Mr. Chair.
Madam Sarah.
He's one of our employees.
Oh, dami. Waymaker. Sino si Gerald William Discaya?
He's my eldest son.
Alpha Phi Omega, yan, asawa mo. So, you confirm, lahat ng siyam na yan, ikaw ang may-ari. Tama?
Part owner po.
Kaya nyo ba talaga pagsabay-sabayin yung mga proyekto ninyo? Paano nyo nagagawa ito?
Yes po, we have sufficient employees naman that can carry out and execute the project.
Okay, ilan ba yung mga empleyado ninyo?
In the office po, mga 200.
Sabay-sabay kayong naawardan ng kontrata ng DPWH. Alam mo, nakakapagtaka dahil kayo lagi nakakuha ng DPWH contracts ha. Sino ba talaga sa DPWH ang nagbibigay sa inyo listahan ng mga projects for bidding? Turo mo na.
Wala po akong knowledge po.
Talaga? Ba't
Yes,
nakakapagtaka dahil yung siyam na construction companies nyo, yun ang laging favored, kumbaga.